Hi everybody, Fintan here from Dance and Cloud, and this week I wanted to talk about a fantastic update to Google Meet, and it's called Adaptive Audio. So, without further ado, let's get into it. I don't know about you, but I've definitely been in a meeting room where I've joined a video call when someone in the room was already on the same video call. And I've gotten that horrible feedback where our microphones are picking up audio in the same room and we're getting that horrible reverberation. You've probably experienced something similar before. I've also experienced situations where I've needed to have multiple people in the same video call, where we're in the same room or the same place, but we don't necessarily have a video conferencing in that meeting room that we're in. Google sometimes call these kind of dark meeting rooms, so they don't necessarily have video conferencing built in. And we found this before where we're in like WeWork, so these serviced offices were a fully remote team, and we haven't necessarily gotten a meeting room that has this. And I've even had situations where me and my team have gone off to different places within the WeWork and essentially made our call from different corners of it, so we're not interrupting each other or disrupting each other's audio. Well, that's what Google has tried to solve with adaptive audio in Google Meet. It's a really interesting feature, and actually what I'd love to do is just to show it to you guys now. There's a blog post on this. If you want to take a look at the blog post, you can. It goes through some of the elements of this adaptive audio where it can join the audio together. But I think a demonstration probably is the best. So the idea is flexible meetings where the presence of multiple laptops can have the audio synchronized between them so that you can essentially create a multi-person video conferencing solution in one room using the same laptop. So in this example here, they've got 4 or 5 people in the same room, and it's connecting the audio between 3 or 4 different laptops, and then everybody's screen is shown as this sort of almost YouTube Shorts type portrait mode, and then the audio is synchronized between all of them. So I have a little video call set up here. I got my camera on the screen record, and I have my colleague who's just behind me. He's a little avocado, and he's already in the meeting room. So I'm gonna hit join here. We hear a little bit of feedback and then it disappears. So I don't know if you noticed that there was feedback on my microphone for a couple of seconds. It's realized that we're in the same physical space. So just to prove I'm not fibbing, he's over here. Hello. And it's realized that we're in the same space, and now it's merged the audio into one, which is really cool. And I can actually manage the merged audio. So in this example, I've only got 2. 3 or 4, obviously I can stop merging the audio or disconnect these if I want, and that's it. You can have this ad hoc system that you can very quickly and easily in the same space, in the same location as your team, join a video call and have the audio merge together. I think this is a really kind of fun and interesting update that's very valuable to a lot of people, particularly those teams that are ending up in situations where they're booking a meeting room, even in their own offices, that don't necessarily have video conferencing built into them. So that's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick update. Do go and check it out. If you have Google Meet, maybe test it out yourself next time you're in a meeting room that does or doesn't have video conferencing in it. It doesn't matter. And let me know what you think in the comments below. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We try to do weekly updates on all things Google and cloud. And that's it for me. I will see you guys next week.